Hi everyone, and welcome to the Sketchup tutorial by Theo. In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to use Sketchup 3D modeling software for 3D printing. We will provide a brief overview of modeling best practices and how to fix your 3D file and export it for 3D printing. Before beginning to create a model, you must choose the unit you will use when drawing. To do so, go to the Unit section of the Model Info dialog box. We suggest that you model in millimeters or inches to avoid needing to rescale for the 3D printer. Sketchup also has a preset standard model adapted to 3D printing. You can select this standard model at the beginning of your session in the Welcome to Sketchup window. The standard model will then automatically appear when creating a new file. In Sketchup, objects are hollow, composed of faces with a thickness which, when fused together, create volumes. These faces have a front and a back. To reverse any faces that are improperly oriented, select them, then right-click and choose Reverse Faces. To better view and distinguish the difference between front and back, you can change your display mode so that the back faces display in yellow or bright red. To do so, go into the Face Settings section of the Styles dialog box. You can also use the Section Plan toolbar to view the inside of your model. It will let you see a cutaway view of your design. To quickly create volumes in SketchUp, you should first start with a 2D polygon face. You can then add volume to this face using the Push, Pull and Follow Me tools. When a volume is finished, you can make it a solid group or component. Create a component when an element needs to be copied many times in the model or when it will be reused later. Several distinct solids can be created within each other using the Outer Shell tool from the Solid Tools toolbar. You need the Pro version of SketchUp to perform other operations like intersection, subtraction, and so on. You can optimize your work by adding plugins. Plugins are available directly in SketchUp via the Window Extension Warehouse menu. Most of them are free. After logging in with your Google account, you can download and install them directly from the software. You can also find plugins in the SketchUp Education plugin store. This site allows you to download the SketchUp Education plugin store toolbar from which you can choose and download your plugins. Models with very sharp angles may be fragile and easily broken. The Round Corner plugin, which smooths angles in a few clicks, solves this problem. You may want to hollow your 3D model to reduce your 3D print pies. To do so, use the Joint Push Pull plugin. This plugin allows you to empty your model by doubling its surface to obtain a thickness. Don't forget to add holes so we can remove the powder from inside your design. To be able to 3D print your 3D model, it must be a single, solid, and uniform object with correctly oriented faces. To correct your 3D model, you can activate the Solid Solver plugin.